Let's consider the next question, that is question number 25. The maximum volume of right circular cone having slant height 3 meters is. So in this question we have to maximize the volume of a cone while slant height is fixed as 3 meters. So let's first draw the cone. Let's draw cone like this, right? And then we have the base as well here. We can draw the base in this fashion. Now it is given that slant height is fixed, that is 3 meters. Let's consider radius as r and height of this cone as h. Let's draw the height first here and mention here as h. Now what is the volume of this cone? It is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's write down 1 by 3 pi r square h. We can write r square as L square minus h square because L is fixed. This is clear. So we can write here L square minus h square multiplied with h. Differentiating with respect to height, we have pi by 3 multiplied with L square minus 3h square. Now in order to maximize, let's put it to 0. On substituting it as 0, we get h equals L by root 3. Taking the second derivative, we can clearly see it is going to be maximum. Why? Because when you take the second derivative, it comes out to be pi by 3 multiplied with minus 6h, which is negative for the above obtained value. Second derivative is negative, so volume is maximum, meaning volume is maximum. Now this condition we have drawn. Next, therefore volume is pi by 3 multiplied with L square minus L square by 3 multiplied with height again, that is L by root 3. What is the value of L? L is given to us as 3. So let's write down the value for L here. This is pi upon 3 multiplied with 2 by 3 L square, 2 by 3 into 9 into 3 by root 3. So we can see 9 is cancelled and we are left with the result simply 2 root 3 pi cubic centimeter. This point is clear how we get the volume as maximized. Correct answer is option number 2. So let's mention and mark as the correct answer. I'm sure this point is clear. Let's move on to the next question. It says the Boolean expression is given. Boolean expression, a simple question, what you need? Just truth table, some logical concept, that's all. Now, P, some operation with Q and negation of P, another operation with Q is equivalent to P and Q. We have to talk about these two operations with 4 options and OR. We can do one thing here. There are 2 possibilities, either it is AND or it is OR, either it is AND or this is OR. So, P, Q. Let's write here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, right. So we are writing all 4 possibilities. Next, we are looking for P and Q. That means 0, 0, 0, 1. This is clear. Next, P and Q or P or Q, 2 possibilities are there. If we talk about P or Q, this will become 0, 1, 1, 1, correct. Next, negation P and Q or negation P or Q. Negation P meaning negation of it and with Q. So you have negation P and Q meaning 0, 1, 0, 0, correct. Next, negation P or Q. Negation P or Q meaning negation of it oring with it. So we have 1, 1, 0, 1, right. Next, we have AND between the 2 operations. Now look at it. When you talk about the final outcome required, it is 0, 0, 0, 1. ANDing between the 2 operations. Which 2 operations? Either you have OR AND, or you have AND or you have AND or you have OR. When you look at these combinations, like you have P and Q and negation P or Q, that is you are talking about these two operations, you can clearly see ending between the two will end up with the same answer 0, 0, 0 and 1. So, which one of the following is correct? Correct answer is option number 4, that is first operation is AND while second operation is OR. I am sure this point is clear. Let us move on to the next question of this paper, that is question number 27. Cos inverse something plus cos inverse something equals pi by 2. It's better to say change it to cos inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to pi by 2, which is possible only if x equals y, because it's a simple identity. So, rewriting the given equation as cos inverse 2 by 3x plus sine inverse. What we need for this sine inverse purpose? We need to go with the triangle approach, like we have the sides in this fashion. We have cos angle 3 4x. So, third side is 16x square by minus 9 inside the root sign, 16x square minus 9. Correct. So, we can write here sine inverse square root of 16x square minus 9 divided by 4x is equal to pi by 2. So, this is the equation given. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse y is pi by 2, meaning x equals y, simple solution. So, we have 2 by 3x is equal to square root of 16x square minus 9 divided by 4x. X can be cancelled as it is non-zero. So, cancelling x on each side and squaring, we get 64 by 9 is equal to 16x square minus 9. So, this is clear how we are getting it. Okay. Now, simplifying and getting the value of x here, we can write x square equals 64 by 9 plus 9 whole divided by 16, that is simply 145 divided by 9 into 16. This is clear. So, from here we have the value for x as square root of 145 divided by 12. Let us look at the given options. Root 145 by 12 is given here as option number 2. So, let us mark and mention as the correct answer. So, this was question number 27. Let us move on to the next, that is 28.